everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys can see, you can't even see out my windows. It is a snowstorm outside right now. My windshield is pretty much ice, so I have to go out and scrape it after I'm done. But right now we're in the middle of a snowstorm. Not a bad snowstorm, but we're supposed to get like over 5 inches of snow, and it's not supposed to stop till tomorrow. So I am not doing a CVS haul today. I might do it later this week. I don't know. We'll just see. But I live like 5 minutes from a different Walgreens. This is the one I usually shop at on Tuesdays, but the one I usually shop at on Sundays are the ones that it's on my way to CVS. I like that one. It's a bigger store. I feel more relaxed lately at that store. But I did get some stuff. I will be doing a second haul for you guys because I didn't have a lot of the coupons that I wanted to do. So I will be sharing with you guys on that. I might have to turn my car on in a little bit because it is getting cold in here pretty fast. I had the heat on while I was doing my math, but yeah. So I'm just going to shut up and share with you guys the deals that I got. So let's just find the bag, you know. That might help. That might help. A lot of you guys always ask where I got these bags from. I got these at IKEA. I'm not sure if IKEA still sells them, but they are a really good bag. These are so tough. They are waterproof. They cost like $1 a bag, and I absolutely love these. So if you guys have an IKEA, definitely go there and see if you can find them. I know where I found them was like in the family rewards area. Like there's a special spot where you guys can get like a discount if you have that rewards card. So definitely go ahead and do that. And I'm turning my car on because it is getting cold in here. Sorry you guys, like it's 28 degrees in here, or it says it's 28 degrees outside, but I don't know if it truly is. So sorry if you hear the humming. It's just cold outside. So, and I still don't have a recording area for if you guys watch my flooding basement. So okay, I'm gonna shut up, you guys. I'm very sorry. So the first deal I got was the Palmolive dish soap. Now this is on sale right now for 99 cents. There is currently a digital 50-cent coupon that you guys want to do. You guys would just get this for 49 cents. Great deal. I love this soap. I was thinking of doing an in-store video for you guys, but the radio is so loud that I couldn't do it. But I was thinking of doing maybe special videos that you guys, maybe a different breakdowns on Mondays, maybe of just videos of special like breakdowns video that you guys could do with just digital coupons. A lot of your stores don't let you use printable coupons. Some of you guys don't get the insert, so I might be starting that. If you guys are interested, let me know. But I'm thinking of doing something like that to share with you guys. You know, just a whole bunch of digital deals, because you know, why not? So sharing it with you guys on that, and not all of it's digital deals. Some of it just might be just deals that you guys can do without coupons. So I ended up getting me some candy bars. Now, like I said, this was an all-month deal. I forgot to do this last week, but I really like the big Kit Kat bars. So these right now are currently 3 for $5, and there is a $1.50 off a 3 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys want to go ahead and do that. You can do it right in the store. You don't have to worry about any coupons. You can clip something to your card where it says with card, which is basically the Walgreens booklet. So it's either or. When you do the with card, it's only one deal and that's it. But if you do the booklet, you can do it as many times as you want. But yeah, so definitely you get these for like $3.50 or $1.16 a piece. I think it's a pretty good deal, especially for a king size. You definitely want to go ahead and do that. I mean, just regular candy bars these days are like 80 cents to $1. So why not get some extra candy for that? Now, here is a good freebie that I was excited to do. As you guys know, I always try to push Ibotta. If you guys do not have Ibotta, definitely join it. I do have a referral link below, but you guys can do this deal. So I ended up getting the Oral-B toothbrushes, okay? So these were $3.99. There is currently a digital coupon for 3 off of 2 that you guys can use. It's for, I think it's for all 3 items like toothpaste, mouthwash, and toothbrushes. But this is a better deal to do with the toothbrushes, you guys. So I felt like they put, I don't know, this one package is older than the other. But you guys would use that digital coupon. You would pay $4.98 for the both of these. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate and a $1 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys will get a $4 register reward that you guys that'll print off. So the price technically will be $1 to MoneyMaker. So you guys will get 2 toothbrushes for free and make a profit. I used this toothbrush not that long ago. It's okay. It's a little different. The head of it's just kind of a little different, but you know what? For free toothbrushes, you guys cannot go wrong. I need to change out my toothbrushes more. Like, I slack at that. And I'm like, Jennifer, why? I don't know why I do that. I slack at so much stuff, and I have this stuff to use, and I'm just like, gotta get it in my head. Another deal that you guys can do, again, these were digital coupon that I use, otherwise there are coupons that we got in our inserts, but these were 2 for $8. There's currently a 4 off of 2 digital coupon or a 4 off of 2 coupon that we got in our inserts. There's also a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just pay $2 for this. That comes out to be just $1 a piece. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, definitely go ahead and do that. I ended up getting the Nivea shave. Great deal if you guys want to do that. There was another shave deal that I was going to do, but I didn't have the coupons for it. I needed another coupon and I didn't have it. So I'm like, you know what, that's okay, because I'm definitely going to share with you guys a second haul. So this is a deal that you guys can do all month long as there's an Ibotta rebate for it. So these are $2.99. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use the 2 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts last week. You guys would pay $2.48 for the both of these, but then you guys will get, then you guys can submit a $1.80 and a $1.80 with Ibotta. Now please keep in mind, everybody's rebate is different on Ibotta. No idea why, but everybody's rebate is different. But I got $2.80s back from Ibotta. So this comes out to be just a $1.15 MoneyMaker. So you guys will get these absolutely free. Like I said, this is a deal you guys can do all month long as you have the Ibotta rebate for it. So just wanted to share with you guys on that deal. And then I ended up doing the Revlon lip. Now these were the matte, and like I really like the texture even on the lipsticks, but these were $8.49. These are currently buy one get one 50% off. I ended up getting the Crushed Rubies and the Wild Thoughts, and this is like a matte lipstick. So you guys also want to use a $3 off coupon times 2. So I had a printable, or I had a $3 off digital, and I had a $3 off paper. I don't get my inserts till later in the week, so that's why I'm trying to share with you guys on this. But if you do have only digitals, there are some mix and match deals that you guys can do, but I had 1 digital and 1 paper. So you guys would pay $6.73, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward for doing that deal, making them just $1.73 or 86 cents a piece. So pretty good deal with that. Now I did a separate transaction with this deal, and the register reward did not print off. So I will be contacting the Catalina company So just wanted to help you guys with that. But these were $5.99. They're also buy one get one 50% off. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon. You guys would pay $5.98. Now you're supposed to get, according to the ad, a $5 register reward. My register reward did not print off. I don't know why it didn't print off, but it didn't. But you guys would get these for 98 cents. Now if you guys have the same problems, let me know. But I will be contacting their Catalina company and they will mail these to me. So yes. I also, when I did buy those, I also got a 5,000 points when you spend $20 or more. So I'll be using that for my second haul. So yes. So that was my haul, you guys. I had more things on here. I just did not have enough digital coupons for them, or I didn't have enough coupons. So I'm going to definitely share with you guys another haul, just because I need to get a couple of those items that I need. So definitely stay tuned for Tuesday. But my total came to $18.94. Now please keep in mind, my total is different than everybody else's. I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so that's why I show as many deals as I can, because I use that discount. But with Ibotta, I couldn't submit it. I'm sitting in the parking lot right now, and I couldn't submit it in the parking lot. I'm in a dead zone for service for my cell phone, so I will be submitting it, and I will be getting $5.60 back with Ibotta. That's for the 2 Niveas and the 2 Oral-B's. I did get $9 worth of register rewards, and I'm supposed to get an additional $5 register reward, so we'll see how that goes. And then I also received 5,000 points for hitting beauty. So my total came out to be $5.66 moneymaker. But if I do not get that register reward, it ends up becoming just a 66-cent moneymaker. So absolutely loving it. I love it when I can get a freebie. But yeah, I definitely want to share with you guys a little bit more deals than what I did. But you know what? It sucks not having the right coupons. But please let me know if you guys want me to start doing like some digital scenarios. I don't know if I'll do it. Like, you never know what's going to pop up. So I probably will have to do it like on Mondays or something, or either Sunday nights or something. I'll let you guys know with that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. See you later. Bye-bye.